हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन जेईई एडवांस 2017 में पूछा गया था। इट इज़ एन इंटीजर टाइप क्वेश्चन, तो द आंसर शुड लाई बिटवीन 0 to 9. Now we have given a function whose domain is real number, the codomain is real number, the function is differentiable, and some points are given on the function. F of 0 is 0, f of pi by 2 is 3, and f dashed of 0 is 1. Now we have given another function which is written in this format. It's an integration of some another function times dt. Then we have asked to calculate the limit of this function when x tends to 0 for x lying between 0 to pi by 2. So first we will observe this function, that is in the integration. So this function is f of t cosec of t minus cot of t cosec of t f of t. So at first it appears that it's a very long expression. We don't have f of t, so how do we integrate? So the catch here is that if I have a function f of x and g of x, and if I have to differentiate it, so I can write it as f dashed of x, g of x plus g dashed of x, f of x. Now clearly we have f dashed of t and we have of f t. So this function must be some differentiation of two functions that are multiplied together. So let we take a function h of t as f of t into cosec of t. So reason here is why we are taking cosec of t, because if you differentiate cosec of t, you will get this function. If you don't know the differentiation of cosec of t, then you can simply write cosec of t as 1 by sin t. Now if you differentiate it now, so you will first square the denominator, then you write the denominator, then you differentiate 1, then you put the numerator, and then you differentiate sin of t. So this simply becomes 0 minus cos of t divided by sin square of t, which is minus cot of t into cosec of t. So my function is f of t into cosec of t, and if you differentiate it, you'll get f dashed of t cosec of t minus cot of t cosec of t f of t. Okay, now we put this on that equation. That means if you integrate both sides with respect to t by putting the limit, this is nothing but g of x. So your g of x then becomes h of t from x to pi by 2, which is h pi by 2 minus h of x. Now what is h pi by 2? It is f pi by 2 cosec of pi by 2 minus f of x cosec of x. So So f of pi by 2 is 3 and cosec of pi by 2 is 1. So that is 3 into 1 minus f of x by sine of x, because we can write cosec of x as 1 by sine of x. Now what we have to find when x tends to 0, what is the limit of this function g of x? So this becomes x tends to 0, 3 minus f of x by sine of x. Now if you see the limit of this function, it is of the form 0 by 0. So we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So this limit is now, limit x tends to 0, 3 minus, we differentiate the numerator and we differentiate the denominator. Now if you put the value of x equal to 0, you get f dash of 0 by 1. So this is 3 minus f dash of 0 is 1, and this is the required answer for the question. If you understand this question, do like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.